In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel to Roblox. For this, you have to use a browser. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. Here, I have saved my Roblox account webpage in the bookmarks bar so that I can log in easily. Let's click on it. In the top right corner, click on the Settings icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Settings. If I scroll down on the Account Info page, I can see a section called Social Networks. Here you can see the options to add various social media links. Open a new window in the browser. Now, open YouTube from here. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. In the pop-up menu, click on View Your Channel. Click on the address bar and copy the link. Go back to the Roblox page. Now, paste the link in the YouTube text box. Scroll on the page and select Everyone in the Visibility section. After you are done, click on Save. Now your YouTube channel link is attached to your Roblox ID.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.